much longer am I going to get to the top of the volcano? It's been 19 hours when I first got there. Why is the volcano shaking? Oh no. The volcano just erupted. I need to get off the volcano before it's too late.
What? Oh my god. That's horrible. We need to go to the airport in order to survive.
Good idea. I'll meet you at the airport. I love you. Goodbye.
Oh my gosh, there is lava coming right for us. Let's get out of here. Whoa. Ouch. Up, up. Ouch, 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 ouch. And then Paul comes up to Dora and says, "You are grounded." Wow, that is a dumb reason to ground a song. I know, right?
Guys, the lava is coming to Vyond City. Run for your lives.
Harold. What is she talking about? Hey, Jared, behind you. Oh my god. We need to get out of here right now.
Mom, this is the best food I had ever. Hey, where are they going? Oh no, lava. No, 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 no.
Donald Trump, we got bad news. What is the bad news, Jack? According to my PC, the lava is burning Vyond City. Soon the city will be gone. What? Are you kidding me? Is it true? Oh no. Yes, it's true. And the lava is coming every way. Oh no. We need to get to high ground right now. Now let's go. Wait for me.
Everyone, hurry into the camp before the lava catches us. Goodbye, beautiful world. Ouch, 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 ouch.
David. Oh my gosh, you made it before the plane took off.
Yeah, it took a while to get there. But I am here now, and I am really tired.
Oh my god. I am so scared, but we have to do it.
Gray. We escaped the lava. Right, son?
I agree, Dad, but I will miss my favorite restaurant.
Aw, don't worry. They will rebuild our city that we know and love. I promise.
Really? Even my favorite restaurant?
Yes, Tren, even your favorite restaurant.
Hooray. I can't wait to see the grand opening of my favorite restaurant. I am so happy for this.
We know you are, Taryn. We really know.
But wait, there is more. First we will go back before the volcano part, and then we will show the extra scene. So don't go to another video, if you want to.
Ah, what a nice day for a hike in the forest. It looks a great forest to me. Now let's get out hiking. Whoa. Who put that volcano there? It looks like a dangerous one. Maybe I should go to the top of the volcano to see what it looks like.
And now, it's time for the extra scene. Well, it looks like your city is burning to the ground. Soon the city will turn into ashes.
Yeah, that is right. And by the way, I saw a plane flying to somewhere we don't know. Maybe it's Gonimet City.
But Gonimet was shut down on June 30th, 2017. Remember?
Oh, right. I forgot.
So, what are we going to do now?
I don't know, Jack Paul. I really don't. Maybe the helicopter will come and take us to somewhere in this earth.
Well, Trump, it looks like we're safe.
What do you mean? We're stranded on this mountain forever.
Not anymore, we're not. Look,
Oh my god. We're saved. I know it, because I see it coming for us.
I told you. We are now safe. Oh, look, the helicopter is here now.
Here you two, catch this rope I lowered down for you guys.
Okay, now it's my turn.